Let's make this hairstyle. So first of all, I've already detangled the hair and I'm going to be sectioning it from the tip of her ear to the other tip of her ear. So I'm going to section it, and once I finish sectioning it, I'm going to hold down this front part because I'm not making use of it for now. So after sectioning it, I'm going to use the center of her neck as my guide here, and I'm just going to part this one. I'm going to part it in a C or in a curve way. So after parting it, I will go ahead to detangle it again, and I will braid it down. So if this is your first time of seeing our video, you're welcome. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified of our latest videos. This channel is all about kids hair tutorial, kids clothing. I make the clothes for my girls, I make hairstyles for them, Pinterest inspired hairstyle mostly. So I'm going to be sectioning the second one again using that same pattern. I'm going to section the second one. I just want to have a 4 braids here, that's why I'm sectioning it big like that. So I'm going to hold that one down as I'm not using it. I'll detangle this with a comb and I'll braid it down just like I did on the first one. So I don't know the struggles you pass through when making your girl's hair, because me, if I show you the behind the scenes of this video, you will be very amazed. So to get it to be the final videos to be this good is a whole lot of struggle. So here I'm braiding this down. So after that, I'm going to be sectioning this one. I'll be coming in like this, just like you see me doing, and I'll be sectioning this one too in a curvy pattern, you see. So I'll just hold this one down as I'm not making use of that, and I'll detangle this. So once I finish detangling it, I'll braid this one down as well. As I'm braiding this one, I'm not making use of a braiding gel. I'm just going with just the natural hair. The only hair cream that I added to the hair was shea butter, raw shea butter. That was the only hair cream that I applied to the hair, and of course water to help detangle it. So here I'm not making use of any braiding gel or any edge control. I'm just working with her natural hair and raw shea butter. So here I'm going to be making this last one. I want to just braid it to be one jumbo braid or jumbo cornrow. So I'll just go ahead to braid this one down. So once I'm done with this, I think I'm done for this, because I just want to braid only the back of the hair. I don't want to braid the front of the hair. So I'll just complete this braid. If you're still watching at this particular moment, please write in the comments hairstyle. Just write hairstyle for me in the comments if you have watched up to this place. So for this front part here, I'm just going to detangle it with my comb, and I'll just pack it. I'll pack everything just as if I'm making a bun or a ponytail. So before I do that, I'll apply some waters to the hair. I'll apply a few waters to the hair, and I'll use brush to kind of smooth some down, smooth her edges down like that. If you're a kind of person that likes using edge controls and hair gel, here you're going to be needing it. It's going to work perfect here. But me, I don't really like using those stuff, because after making the hair, if you are losing it, it's kind of smelling somehow. So I just go with ordinary shea butter. So after packing the ponytail, I'll just secure it down with this rubber band, and I make sure I loosen it so that it won't be too tight. I don't want her to start having boils on her head. So these beads here, I actually made a DIY on how to make these beads. If you want to watch it, of course I'll be placing the link in this description, and you can also click on here to watch how these beads were made, but that is after watching this particular tutorial. So here I'm going to be placing it on her head like that, to just create that African something. Don't know if you get what I'm trying to explain. So here is the hairstyle. How cute is it? Will you be trying this hairstyle? You got to let me know in the comments if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. You can try it out with different hair type so that you see how the outcome is. For my baby girl here, I think Ola's hair type is 4C hair, but it's not actually 4C because her hair is not like mine. Mine is complete 4C, but I don't think her own is complete 4C. If you have an idea of what hair type her hair is, please let me know, because I definitely want to know. So I'm done with this tutorial. Are you going to be trying out this hairstyle? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and share to amazing moms. Bye.